Hey guys, what's up? So there's no art video today because I am in the thick of getting ready for an upcoming convention and I just wanted to make sure I didn't like rush a video out. But today instead I thought I'd like really quickly cover all the conventions I'm going to be going to this year. I got quite a few on my list, not as many that I'm going to be selling stuff at, but I'm going to be attending quite a few. So first and foremost, next weekend I am going to be at Anaheim at WonderCon 2019. I will have an Artist Alley booth at F59. So if you'd like to buy some merch, I got my books, I got my prints, I got lots of stuff there. And if you want to just say hi, I will be there. I'm also going to be taking table commissions. They're going to be limited slots, so if you'd like one, come stop by. After that, I'm going to be at Phoenix Fan Fusion here in Phoenix, Arizona from May 23rd to the 26th. So they haven't sent us a table number or where my location is yet, but as soon as I receive it, I will be posting another small update video closer to the convention time. And then after that, I'm going to be attending RTX Austin from July 5th to the 7th. This is kind of a birthday present to myself. I love going to this convention and I'm just gonna be walking around, nothing formal. I'm just hanging out, going to panels, seeing cool stuff, just being a tourist around Austin as per usual. And I'm really excited. So I will be there for the whole convention. And then after that, I'm going to be at VidCon Anaheim from July 10th to the 13th. So I'll just be walking around, hanging out. I don't have any like panels or anything. There might be one in the works, but it's not a for sure yet. But I will be at like different creator panels, learning what I can. And then I get to bring my husband along because with VidCon Anaheim, I got 2 tickets. So I get to bring him this year. So if you guys are there, please shoot me a tweet or a message. I'd love to meet you and say hi. And then last but not least, this one is still kind of up in the air because my husband and I aren't 100% sure we'll be able to afford it. So we're seeing if we can swing it after we have all the major conventions happen throughout July. But I'm planning on going to FanExpo Toronto in August. So I've always wanted to visit Canada. I've never been, and I think it would be an amazing just like little mini vacation. So we're just trying to swing it, but I won't have an Artist Alley table or anything. I'm just gonna be walking around and hanging out, but this one is still tentative. I'll probably post an update closer to the convention time on if I'm gonna be able to make it or not. So keep an eye out on the channel. And that's it. That's all the conventions I have for this year. I just wanted to do a quick update for this since WonderCon is like right around the corner. I'm panicking just a little bit, but I just wanted to touch base with you guys, let you know what conventions I'm doing, especially since we have one next weekend. So I hope to see some of you at the conventions. Please feel free to come up, say hi if you just see me walking around at any of them. I'd love to like chat and say hello and meet some of you guys. It's always fun just like seeing you guys out in the wild. I'm really excited and I cannot wait for these conventions and I hope to see you guys there. So besides that, I will see you guys this Friday for another 100 Dragons video and then we will be back on regular production schedule starting next week. So that's it. I'll see you guys later. Bye everybody.